All right, we're going to go over a line chart. Most people know this one. Let's hit the big wrench, go to edit dashboard. We're going to get a little divider, put it right there, go grab the H for header, and I'm going to call this line chart. Now I'm going to show you two types of line charts because there are two that I use all the time. I say save. Okay, now I'm just going to pick this horizontal bar one that we did previously, if you've been following along, and I'm just going to call this one line chart. This one is very straightforward. I'm going to hit the chemistry beaker at the top, analyzer. And here I can pick line right here, but let's go to line and we're going to pick multi-line. Now I got a couple things to show you. So x-axis, we're going to change that with the word date. Beautiful. I'm going to get rid of this summary number. I'm going to say no summary number. Revenue is fine with me. And series, I'm going to get rid of country and I'm going to go put in portfolio company instead and get rid of it from sorting. Okay, so now you can see here I'm going to hit the date and I'm going to say last 12 months. I'm going to graph it by month, so it's a little bit less volatility to look at. But there you go. I have by date show me revenue, and the different color lines are the different portfolio companies. Let's go put date into sorting, and let's also go put portfolio company right back into sorting because I want it to be, and I'm going to change that to descending, sorry. Because I want that to be A, B, C, D, just a little bit closer in the normal layout that we're looking for, right? Fairly easy to do. Now, if you go to data label settings, you can turn off this percent of category if you do not want it. You can hit here, put value, and instead you'll see the revenue amounts that way. So the line. So why do we use a line? A line is a better way than a stack bar because I want to be able to see different portfolio companies compared to each other. If I stack them, it becomes harder to really see, well, which one is doing better like this. Like, it's really hard to see how company A is doing. If I do this way, a little bit easier. Okay, so that one's fairly easy. Let's do a second one though. I want to show you one that you actually use a lot. Running total line. So this question right here, if I were to ask you, hey, which company has been doing the best so far in the last 12 months, company A, B, C, or D, it's actually really hard to know which one. If I hit running total, now we have a better indicator and we could say, well, actually, the one winning right now is company B, and company C used to have a big lead, but has been kind of taken over by company B later. But company A and D, they're far behind. And see how much faster this is able to do for a cumulative one. So I'll usually put both if I need to, but I'll say here, if you want to see by month, here's how it looks in the regular multi-line. But there's also a running total line to say cumulatively what's going on for the year. Okay, so it's pretty easy, x-axis, y-axis, and you just put whatever you want in the series. We're going to hit save and close. Go back to our card practice, hit the big wrench right here, edit, dashboard, drag it right there, plop it in. I'm going to go to edit, appearance, turn off time frame because I don't want to see that. And we're done. That is a line chart.